Hi, my name is Haley Ashcroft. I'm arguing yes to outrageous athlete salaries. And my first reason is that their salaries are determined by society's fascination with sports as entertainment, not because the work that they perform is of any lasting significant value, such as the work of a doctor or the President of the United States, for example. Secondly, an athlete gets paid way too much if they have a negative impact on the community. If they demonstrate that success is achieved through immoral ways. Lastly, setting aside the comparison of athlete salaries to every other salary or wage on the planet, athletes get paid far too much if their salary is not proportionate with their production in the sport. For example, if a very mediocre basketball player who mainly fills up a space on the bench signs a contract for a similar pay to that of Kobe Bryant and even holds out for days before signing because he or she thinks they are worth even more than that, they are getting paid way too much. And these are the sources for my slideshow. Thank you for watching.